I believe the future isn't coming. It's already here. So let's explore 20 mind-blowing tech trends quietly rewriting how we live. Ready? 1. AI everywhere. Seriously, everywhere. We're not just talking about chatbots or AI-generated art anymore. Artificial intelligence is moving into your doctor's office, courtroom, car, and fridge. We're seeing AI help detect cancer earlier than ever, manage financial portfolios in real time, and even write basic code. This trend isn't just growing, it's exploding. And I believe if you're not AI literate soon, you're missing out on the next industrial revolution. 2. Quantum computing. The race has begun. Quantum computing used to be science fiction. Now, it's a global arms race. Companies like Google, IBM, and China's Baidu are racing to solve problems in seconds that traditional computers would take millennia to crack. From drug discovery to unbreakable encryption, quantum is going to shake up everything. We're talking redefining limits of human problem solving here. 3. Brain-computer interfaces. Mind over machine. Elon Musk's Neuralink made headlines, but there's more to this space than just hype. Imagine controlling devices with your thoughts, or helping paralyzed people walk again through brain signals. BCIs, brain-computer interfaces, are moving beyond the lab and slowly heading for consumer devices. It's the ultimate man-machine connection. Wild, right? 4.6G and beyond. Blink and it downloads. We're barely done rolling out 5th generation, and companies like Samsung and Nokia are already testing 6th generation networks. With potential speeds 100 times faster than 5G, this could change how we interact with virtual worlds, stream content, and even communicate. Think real-time holograms, fully immersive VR, and zero lag. Ever again. 5. Hyper-automation, bots running the office. I believe this one's quietly creeping into the workforce. Hyper-automation combines AI, machine learning, and robotic process automation to handle tasks humans used to do, like processing invoices, replying to customer queries, or analyzing spreadsheets. It's not just about cutting costs. It's about making businesses almost self-running. 6. Digital twins. Cloning reality for testing. Think of a digital twin as a high-tech clone of something physical, like a car engine or an entire city. Engineers are already using them to simulate wear and tear before anything breaks in real life. Cities are even making digital twins of their infrastructure to optimize traffic and energy use. It's like having cheat codes for the real world. 7th, generative AI, beyond art and memes. Yes, generative AI is making funny pictures of cats with 6 legs, but it's also writing books, generating music, and designing architecture. Adobe, Microsoft, and even Canva are integrating generative tools into their platforms. I believe this tech is reshaping creativity, turning everyone into an artist, coder, and storyteller overnight. 8. Extended reality, XR, blending real and virtual. Extended reality combines augmented, virtual, and mixed reality into one giant futuristic umbrella. Apple Vision Pro and Meta Quest 3 are leading the charge. From virtual meetings that feel like real life, to training surgeons without a real patient, XR is breaking barriers between the physical and digital. 9. Biotech breakthroughs, rewriting human biology. We're talking about lab-grown organs, personalized medicine based on your DNA, and even CRISPR gene editing to cure diseases before you're born. Biotech is revolutionizing how we age, how we heal, and maybe even how we evolve. It's not sci-fi. It's happening in clinical trials right now. 10. Space tech. Private companies, giant leaps. Space isn't just for astronauts anymore. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Rocket Lab are turning space into the next business frontier. We're talking about reusable rockets, asteroid mining, and satellite mega-constellations for the global internet. Oh, and the moon. It's officially open for business. 11th, smart everything, from homes to cities. We started with smart thermostats and voice assistants, but that was just a teaser. Now, we've got smart fridges that order milk when you're out, mirrors that analyze your skin, and traffic systems that adjust on the fly. And let's talk scale. Entire smart cities like Neom in Saudi Arabia are being built from scratch with AI at the core. Everything's connected, everything's learning, and everything's talking, from your couch to your car to your city's power grid. I believe we're heading into an era where smart won't be a feature. It'll just be the default. 12th, autonomous everything, not just cars. Self-driving cars might steal the spotlight, but autonomy is spreading way beyond highways. Think delivery drones dropping off groceries, warehouse robots zipping around shelves, and even ships navigating oceans without captains. Amazon's already testing sidewalk bots, and China's rolling out autonomous taxis in real-world cities. This isn't just about convenience, it's about efficiency, safety, and speed. Entire industries are being reimagined with machines that think and act on their own. I believe we're heading into a future where autonomous everything becomes the norm, not the exception. And honestly, it's starting to look pretty Jetsons out here. 13. Web3 and decentralization. The next internet? Web3 isn't just a buzzword, it's a movement. The idea is to build a new version of the internet where users own their data and control how it's used. No more handing everything over to big tech. With blockchain, decentralized apps, DApps, and NFTs, creators can monetize directly, users can interact without middlemen, and privacy becomes a feature, not a luxury. It's still early, and yeah, some parts feel like the Wild West. But I believe if it matures right, Web3 could shift power from corporations back to the people, and that's pretty exciting. 14. Edge computing. Power close to the source. Cloud computing changed everything, but edge computing is taking it a step further. Instead of sending data across the internet to distant servers, edge computing processes it right where it's generated, on your device or nearby. That means faster responses, less lag, and way more efficiency. Think self-driving cars that react instantly, or smart factories making split-second decisions. It's like giving every device its little brain. I believe edge computing is what's going to make the future feel fast, not just on paper, but in real life, where milliseconds can mean everything. 15. Green tech. Innovation meets sustainability. Tech isn't just about faster chips or smarter phones anymore. It's about saving the planet. Green tech is exploding with ideas like solar panel windows, carbon-sucking machines, and even electric planes. We've got vertical farms growing crops in cities and algae-based plastics replacing harmful materials. It's not just eco-friendly, it's efficient and scalable. I believe the next trillion-dollar industry won't be the flashiest. It'll be the one that balances innovation with responsibility. Green tech isn't a trend, it's a necessity. And honestly, saving the Earth while building cool stuff? That's the future we should all bet on. 16th Metaverse 2.0. Not dead yet. Remember when everyone was hyped about the metaverse, then it kind of vanished? Well, it didn't die. It just matured. Now it's quietly evolving into something more useful. Companies are setting up virtual offices for remote teams. Schools are holding VR-based classes that actually engage students. Brands like Nike and Gucci, they're still selling digital gear in virtual worlds. The flashy, cartoonish visions are giving way to real-world applications. Metaverse 2.0 isn't about escaping reality. It's about enhancing it. Less sci-fi dream, more day-to-day utility. And while it's no longer loud, it's not going away anytime soon. 17. Synthetic media. Deepfakes, but useful. Deepfakes usually make headlines for the wrong reasons: scams, misinformation, and general creepiness. But synthetic media has a powerful positive side too. Creators can now make entire films using virtual actors, translate content into multiple languages with voice cloning, or even recreate historical figures from museums and classrooms. Imagine learning history from a lifelike Abraham Lincoln, or watching a movie shot entirely without cameras. That's the upside. It's not just entertainment, it's revolutionizing education, marketing, and content creation. Sure, it's a bit eerie, but when used ethically, synthetic media is an absolute game changer in the creative world. 18. Human augmentation. Real-life superpowers. We're officially entering the age of real-life superpowers. Human augmentation is turning science fiction into fact. From bionic limbs that respond directly to your brain signals, to exoskeletons that let workers lift hundreds of pounds effortlessly. Even AR glasses can now display real-time translations right in your field of view. This tech isn't just for enhancing abilities, it's changing lives. For the disabled, it means independence. For the military, it means enhanced performance. And for the workforce, it could mean ultra-efficiency. It's Iron Man-level tech, minus the missiles, and it's evolving fast. The line between human and machine is blurring. 19. Ambient computing, tech that just happens. Imagine walking into a room, and without saying a word, the lights dim, the temperature adjusts, your playlist starts, all tailored to you. That's ambient computing. It's not just smart tech. It's invisible tech that works in the background, anticipating your needs. No buttons, no voice commands. It just knows. Think of it as the evolution of smart homes into intuitive, responsive environments. Companies like Amazon, Google, and Apple are building this ecosystem quietly but steadily, integrating sensors, AI, and cloud processing to create seamless digital experiences that feel like magic. And honestly, it's already creeping into our lives. 20. Ethics and tech governance, the new frontier. With all this innovation comes serious questions. Who decides how AI is trained? Who owns your biometric data? How do we regulate tech that evolves faster than laws? I believe one of the biggest future trends isn't just new inventions. It's how we choose to use them, govern them, and control them responsibly. So, which trend blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. I believe these 20 tech shifts aren't just shaping the future. They are the future, and it's closer than you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the future.